Why does your scanner show the P0265 engine code? What does it mean? P0265 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 2, injector A circuit high. This engine code indicates a malfunction in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 2. A high voltage is detected by the engine control module, meaning the voltage is higher than the manufacturer's specified level. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel injector. Wiring issues. PCM or ECM malfunction. Internal injector issue. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, Renault, Peugeot, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.